Hello dear friends, welcome to your own channel Gramification. In our previous class we had seen about 8 parts of speech and among those the first one was noun. हमने अपने पिछले वीडियो में parts of speech देखे थे जिसमें कि सबसे पहला टॉपिक है noun and in today's class we will see the kinds of noun. What is noun and its kind? So let us start. What is noun? Noun is the name of person, place or thing. And this is a very traditional definition. Name of person, place or thing. Like as I also remember that from our class 2nd, 3rd onwards, we have read this definition. हम अपने class 2nd, 3rd से ये definition याद करते आ रहे हैं. Name of person, place or thing. In our class, we will see little bit advanced one because we have already grown up. So in a advanced way, we will see it along with the formulas. So first of all, let us see the types or kinds of noun. There are so many types, there are so many kinds. The first one is common noun. The most important as well as the most common kind is common noun. What is common noun? Common noun is a general word that belongs to the same class or same kind of people. We use this for all those that belongs to that class or that kind. For example, if I am talking about boy, boy indicates to the categories who else have the similar physical features. We can't call the human beings as boy. There is similar features, we are calling them boy. उनके कुछ similarity होते हैं तो उनको हम बोलते हैं boy. As like of girl, as like of city. Means एक common word है, अगर उस type के similar features हैं then we can call them boy. उनको girl बोल सकते हैं. जो girls हैं, girls सारी girls के almost same similar features होते हैं, as well as city also. This is common noun. Second one is proper noun. Proper, as the word suggests, it is particular or it says about the exact one. जैसे कि हम word देख रहे हैं proper means एक particular, exact या definite किसी एक को हम समझते हैं. For example, Ram. We can't call all the boys as Ram. Only one boy or a particular or a definite boy whose name is Ram, to that boy only we can call it as Ram. So Ram एक particular boy है जिसका नाम राम है, उसको हम राम बोल सकते हैं. हर boy को राम नहीं बोल सकते. Next one is Shakespeare. If I am talking Shakespeare, he is called as the father of English language. So many dramas, so many poems he had composed. So Shakespeare indicates to a definite one. एक exact व्यक्ति, एक एग्जैक्ट इंसान को दर्शाता है. शेक्सपियर नेम. सो इट इज ऑल्सो एन एग्जैक्ट वन. थर्ड वन, कलेक्टिव नाउन. कलेक्टिव मीन्स कलेक्शन और ग्रुप. ग्रुप टर्म एज वन means we are collecting so many and it is being termed or it is being called as one. एक ग्रुप होता है जो जिसके कॉम्बिनेशन में एक टीम बनता है, that is called as one. Or cluster also we call it. Cluster means more than 1, 2, 10, 12 members team, that is cluster. For example, army. In army we all know that there are more than 1, 2 or even thousands of soldiers are there. So combining all those we are calling them as army. So बहुत सारे soldiers रहते हैं, उनके combination को हम बोलते हैं army. Murder of crows. I'm not talking about physical murder, stabbing. I'm not talking about that one. Murder of crows means combination of so many crows, more than 2, 3 or 10 or 15 or 20 crows. उनके जो ग्रुप होते हैं उनको बोला जाता है, crows का जो टीम है उसको बोलते हैं murder of crows. Parliament of owls. Owls we all know, a symbol of death, a symbol of danger. It is being termed as. Actually it is, or it doesn't, we don't know, but it is being termed as the symbol of death. कहीं ना कहीं अशुभ मानते हैं. So owl Parliament of owls means a cluster group of owl. It is called as parliament. Board also so many designated officials, more than 2, 3, 4, 5 are there in that group. So they used to take decision. They are called as board members. So board is a combination of team who take decision. That is collective noun. Next one is material noun. Material means metal or material. From what we are making so many objects or so many things. Like gold. Gold is a material. From gold we are creating object, we are creating things. Wood. From wood we are making table, bench, sofa, everything we are creating from the wood. Plastic, for example, from the plastic we are this is the pen made up of plastic. So plastic is also an example of material noun. Material noun is the noun from where we are creating, we are making different objects. In today's class, we had seen 4 different kinds of noun. Thank you very much for your support as well as your patience watching. Thank you and have a very nice day.